What's going on, pro cutters? I'm gonna go ahead and guess that it's not looking good for my footers, because peep the waterfall coming down the driveway. So let's go up and see how they look, because I got to get a shovel anyway so I can fix this ditch to get the water going down the side better. Well, it ain't great. Check it out. Swimming pools. One pothole that didn't fill. Two potholes that didn't fill. The other 6 are full. Had a cave in this corner, so that'll have to get shoveled out. And the water is just running down there. Terrible. Cave in that corner, and at the side there. I'm not so worried about up here because it's good rock, so we'll just have to pump out the water and shovel out what fell in. But down in the bottom section where it was soft already, could be a malfunction. I don't know. There's a cave in at this corner. A little bit of a cave in there. This end's fairly dry, and I'm surprised how dry this is. It must be just draining straight through instead of pooling. Sucks. Try to get this water going that way off of the hill before it goes down further. But yeah, also try to have the damn driveway flat. It's a no-win situation. The water just pours right out of the side of the mountain too, so even if you divert some of the stuff coming from the top down the driveway, still becomes a problem. See, it's all washed out here again because it got such heavy downpour, and then when this ditch failed, shot the water that way. So we get that switched and then diverts the water this way. But before it gets down here, gotta fix this. And now you can see the water's coming. Didn't quite get this good. Gotta get it for the water. There it comes right there, right past where I just repaired this one. But still need a little bit more of a repair here. so it can continue to run down instead of across. You can see now this one's slowed down now that I've broken that dam to divert the majority of the water back to the side. Always a fun time living on a hill.